ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ. ನಿಗಮಕಲ್ಪತರೋರ್ಗಲಿತಂ ಫಲಂ ಸುಖಮುಖಾದಮೃತದ್ರವಸಂಯುತಂ ಪಿಬತ ಭಾಗವತಂ ರಸಮಾಲಯಂ ಮುಹುರಹೋ ರಸಿಕಾ ಭುವಿ ಭಾವುಕಾಃ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಸುಖಯೋಗೀಂದ್ರ. ಯಂ ಪ್ರವ್ರಜಂತಮನುಪೇತಮಪೇತಕೃತ್ಯಂ ದ್ವೈಪಾಯನೋ ವಿರಹಕಾತರ ಆಜುಹಾವ ಪುತ್ರೇತಿ ತನ್ಮಯತಯಾ ತರವೋ ವಿನೇದುಃ ತಂ ಸರ್ವಭೂತಹೃದಯಂ ಮುನಿಮಾನತೋಸ್ಮಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ನರನಾರಾಯಣ ಚತುರ್ಮುಖ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಸರಸ್ವತೀ ದೇವಿ ವ್ಯಾಸಮಹರ್ಷಿ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Uddhava sharing his divine memories of Sri Krishna Paramatma with Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, when I requested Sri Krishna Paramatma to bless me with that wisdom which he gave to Chaturmukha Brahma in the beginning of Srishti. I said, O Paramatma, if you think that I am enough qualified, if you think that I am deserved to get that jnanam from you, please bless me that jnanam by which I will be able to cross this samsara sagaram. O Vidura, when I prayed Sri Krishna Paramatma like that, then Bhagavan, that Adideva, that Supreme, Paraha, Paramotkrishta, such greatest entity, Aravindakshaha, the one who has divine lotus eyes, such Paramatma blessed me with all of his glory and with wisdom by which I can know about Sriman Narayana in truth. O Vidura, after I got that jnanam from Sriman Narayana who has divine feet, then pranamya padau, I did sastanga namaskaram to his divine lotus feet. Parivrutya devam, I did pradakshina to Sriman Narayana, Sri Krishna Paramatma. Then I could not leave him, but because Paramatma himself ordered me to go to Badarikashramam, which is most beloved place of Paramatma, then I started from there. Gamishye dayitam tasya Badariyashrama mandalam. Now I am traveling towards Badarikashramam. O Vidura, in that Badari, etra Narayano devo narascha bhagavan rishihi. Naranarayana ತಾಪಸಾಶ್ರಮಪದ ಔನ್ನತ್ಯಂಬುನ ಪೊಲ್ಚು ಭಾಸುರ ಮಂದಾರ ರಸಾಲ ಸಾಲ ವಕುಲ ಶೋಕಾಮ್ಲ ಪುನ್ನಾಗ ಕೇಸರ ಜಂಬೀರ ಕದಂಬ ನಿಂಬಕುಟ ಜಾಸ್ವತ್ಥ ಸ್ಫುರನ್ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾ ಕರವೀರ ಕ್ಷಿತಿಜಾಭಿರಾಮ ಬದರೀಕಾಂತಾರ ಸೇವಾರತಿನ್. In that Badarikashramam, Sakshat Srimannarayana, in the form of Naranarayana, is doing severe tapasya to bring welfare to the entire universe for Lokakshemam. Srimannarayana doing tapasya in the form of Naranarayana in Badarikashramam. Like that, Uddhava saying to Vidura. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ಓಂ ಅಸ್ಮದ್ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.